Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that after breaking out a very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern, PEPE has recently formed another bullish bias pattern, and that is a down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a weekly time frame chart, and this was a big inverse head and shoulder pattern that PEPE broke out on the 7 days time frame chart. And now if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently it has found another support and resistance. This is, by the way, the newly formed down channel. You can see that here we have the resistance and here we have the support of the channel. And now the price is moving at the center of this channel between the resistance and support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show this quite a long-term uptrend line support. That is, by the way, smaller than the previous long-term uptrend line support that Pepe found here that was previously breaking at the resistance here in the month of October 2023. We got rejections here, stable rejections, and after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. And now we have broken it down, but recently you can see it has found another long-term uptrend line support. You can see that it was breaking at the resistance here, and after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and another bounce here, and now we are about to hit this support once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup of Fala, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of September 2024. And you can also find the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of PEPE. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, PEPE is moving inside this channel. And by the way, before that, we broke out a very big inverse head and shoulder pattern. And after a huge rally, the price and also found this uptrend line resistance as well. You can see that we got by this rejection by this resistance here and here, and then the price and got stuck inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price and broke down the support, this quite long-term uptrend line support that was previously breaking at the resistance here. We got rejection here, here, and here. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. We had a bounce here and another bounce. By the way, this was the last bounce that was happening here in the month of April 2024, and then the price and broke it down, and now recently it has found another uptrend line support. You can see that it was the recent one was breaking at the resistance here. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now the price is about to hit the support once again. In case of breaking it down, it can again test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $0.0000486. By the way, this is not a 4 times 0. This is 5 times 0, $486. And if the price hits the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $0.0000895. And slightly higher than this resistance, we will have another very strong resistance of $0.0000920. That was recently breaking as a resistance here for several days, and after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and now for the past several days, it is again breaking as a resistance. Now, if you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term inverse head and shoulder pattern. Then we had a very massive rally. If I place a measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it was more than 2,775% pump. And here we have found a very strong resistance of 1725. And that is also the target, the expected target for the breakout from this channel. And if the price and after the breakout from this channel will break out this resistance, then I'm expecting that this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.